What better way to start out 2021 than organizing? I'm starting with my fridge and showing you how to do it. First, I'm starting by removing everything. Then I take inventory of what I have, get rid of expired foods, then wipe down those shelves to make sure it's rid of all of the gunk. I had a helper today. And then I go in and start organizing and setting up how I want it to look. My fridge doesn't have much storage, so I'm stacking shoe containers for my meats and cheeses, and these glass bottles are from IKEA for my filtered water. Another tip to staying healthy in the new year is prepping your fruits and veggies. I store mine in these glass containers from IKEA. They're not only aesthetically pleasing, but easy to grab when you're hungry. I'm really happy with how this space turned out. It's not only functional for our little family of 3, but it is really pretty to look at. And I did add labels from the container store to bring it all together. If you want to see the full fridge organization video, you can definitely check out my YouTube channel. It's linked in my bio, and don't forget to like for more.
I just got some new organizing bins and I am going to do a refrigerator makeover. I got these at TJ Maxx. You can also get them at like Marshalls or Home Goods or something. I started by peeling off the sticker and then I threw them in to wash them. Gotta be sanitary. And I start with all the alcohol that we have. I just recently, obviously was in a wedding and there was a lot of leftover alcohol. So that's where all this came from. Don't judge me. And then put that to the side, grab a smaller bin and put some Go-Gurts in it. And then also put that to the side, and I have more drinks. This is going to be all the random alcohol we have that we've accumulated. It's not all the same, kind of bugs me, but at least it's all in one bin. Put that to the side and then get started on other drinks like pop and stuff. And then, of course, after that, I will set that to the side and get started on putting these Danimals in a tub. They were in a bigger tub, but we've used a lot of them, so I condensed it. And then I start by placing everything in the spots that I want it to go. These are great for stacking and also creates a lot more room. And this is the final look.
My father-in-law's garage fridge was screaming for our help. Measure, slide and unlock to adjust number of rows. Snap off back to fit. Moving things around. Started with just 3 rows. I should have brought them better drinks. At least they have good taste in candy and chocolate. Decided 5 rows made for better space. Got that collagen water. The last row turned into dealer's choice. The reveal. Loved it.
5, 6, 7, 8. Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Looking super fine in your corduroy. I think we could do it if we tried, if only to say.
What you see, won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, twerk it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up. Ladies, let him check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let him check up. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, stop it, check on me tonight. If you got it, flown it.
Having an organized fridge is great because when you open the door, you know exactly where to find something or to put something back. The containers keep things from spilling and leaking all over the fridge, and therefore I have to clean less. Plus, less food waste because things aren't hidden.
It's time to organize our fridge. I started by removing absolutely everything and then cleaning it. We bought different organizers and then put different foods in the compartments. Here is the before. And here is the after. We put some of our condiments on this Lazy Susan to free up the side door to add more drinks. We put fruits, veggies, and snacks in these compartments, and they pull out so they're easy to access. More drinks and snacks and more meals and ingredients on the bottom shelf and drawers, and we feel much more organized and less likely to waste food.
Y'all, I've been sleeping on Tuesday morning. These organizers were cheaper than Amazon. Before, after.
Now that we've deep cleaned the entire refrigerator, I'm going to go ahead and add in our beverages here at the top section. Below this, I'm going to add in our meats, cheeses, and dairy yogurt products. Below that are the fruits and vegetables.
Okay, so now you do the first layers kind of like your base layer. And we are going to make a really pretty design. It's so simple, but yet people find this fascinating when they come into my house. And they also think that I am a sociopath, that I take the time to do this once a month. But you know what? You say OCD is a disease, I say it's a blessing. And people always ask, do I replace them every time someone eats one? No, I'm not crazy. I'm just organized every 30 days. I actually get excited when they start to diminish because that means people like them. So you just keep stacking until